Hello, Odd Job Doer here. And today, since I'm between jobs right now, we have a little something interesting. As you can tell by the title, this is a little mystery box. And when I say mystery box, it's not too much of a mystery on top. But this here I got at kind of a yard sale the other day. I spent $2 on this, and so let's see if there's anything worth the $2. Right off the get-go, I saw these here toaster forks. Looks like you can do them, go camping, marshmallows, stuff like that. Oh, I don't do a whole lot of camping, but these do seem pretty new. 4 forks in the set. Nice little handles. 1, 2. All right, so 3 out of 4. That's not too bad. Um, hmm. Yeah, and then we got here. Let's see. We'll go with this bag here. Nice little gift bag. We got here a card. Oh, look, 98 cents on the tag there. Inside this, we got some plastic thing. I don't know. Let's see. But the mouthpiece there looks like some kind of a raft, maybe. And so there's a blue one in here. I'm going to speculate it's also another raft. May have holes, may not. Oh, what do we got down here? We got some Easter grass, it looks like. Yeah. Look at that. 38 cents right there. And we got 1, 2, 2 bags and some extra grass at the bottom. And, alright. So, alright, so we got this right here. This looks pretty good. A battery charger. A little zoomed in here for cars. Let's see what's in here for reals, huh? Looks like a battery charger. Brand new, manual. Nice. I'm not a master at appraising, but I'd say this here is worth more than $2 in itself. And, yeah, not for gel batteries, it says on it. But, Syntec, battery charger. Alright. It's heavy. Alright, so we got some, in a box here of pure filters. Oh. So in this box here, we got 1 pure filter, brand new. And, what's this here? Coupon for $2 off. That right there pays for itself. Expires 4/38/18, so it's still yeah, still good. And would you look at this? Whoa, pure filter. How'd they know we had this in the sink? All right, recyclable box. Oh, a Trader Joe's bag. Nice, a little dirty. Velcro closer. Feels a little padded. I mean, yeah, I know I should have invested in a tripod. Here. Oh, look at that. No mold. Nice. Use that one these days. Oh, what's this here? Next little treasure we got here is looks like a motion light activated light switch. Yeah. So, that's kind of cool though. I'm sure this thing costed like, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. And it doesn't look burnt out or anything. Give it a sniff. Nope. So that's a nice there. And got another one. I don't know, maybe someone just didn't like them. You know, light turns on. When you walk in the room, turns off when you leave. So what next we got here is, oh, that's kind of nice, maybe. I don't know. It's actually the pure filter for the sink. I like the one I already have. This has all the attachment stuff, and looks a little dirty. I don't know. Maybe check it out later. And then we got here another bag. Yeah, right. Live spicy, right? Peppers. Yeah, nice. Canvas. Who are we advertising here? The United States Armed Forces Commissary. All right. Just double check to make sure there's nothing in the bag. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, so nice. Okay, what else we got here? Let's go with this right here. This is like tools. Craftsman, yeah. Never like tools. Ta-da! This here is actually a Craftsman light driver. These things here cost, I don't know, 20 bucks maybe. There's a little switch thing on the back here. You put some batteries in, and a light comes out here. Switch on the back. Light comes out here. Magnetic tip there to hold these little things in. So, even though it's not a full set, looks like we do have quite a bit of the attachments to it. And a nice little case to put it in. And that's definitely worth it. Well, this is handy. Gas line. Looks brand new. Maybe a little bit mooring on it. Maybe used once or something. I don't know. But this is a nice way to hook anything up with a gas pipe. Oh, what we got here? We got this bag here. Oh. Look at that. Some Pyrex storage, huh? Not too shabby. I'll make some food stuff. More Pyrex. Fancy bowl. Yeah. What do we got here? Alright. Looks like maybe a 4-cup holder. We got a little red plastic something. No markings. Maybe it's not BPA free, I don't know. And we got here another Pyrex storage. 1 7/8 cups. Says it right there. Yeah, 7/8 cups. Not 2. Not 1.5. 1 7/8. And look at this here. We got a genuine. Looks like probably a Walmart bag. Those things themselves cost 10 cents now. Let's see what we got here. More tools. Oh, look at that. This is nice. Craftsman adjustable pocket socket. Box-in wrenches. So you got these things here, and yeah, I've seen them before. Let's see if I can get open here. All right, tag here. Okay, so you got this thing here, Craftsman, and what you do basically is just this thing, tighten it up, and it fits whatever size bolt, socket, whatever it goes on there. This thing's still greasy, so it's probably brand new. And looking for smaller bolts. That's nice. Let's go sit over here in this pile. Now, what have we got next here? This here. There. Velcro. Oh, babies are us. At first I was going to say this is a back support. But now that I'm messing with this here, I'm going to say this is like a pregnancy support device thingy to sling around the woman's belly when it's expanding. Ooh, a little shiny there. And so, I don't quite need that right now. Ooh, another tool. This is nice. This is what we call a dog bone. Black & Decker brand though. Multiple sockets here. These are fairly expensive. I think like size charts there. So you got like 9/16 equals 14 millimeter. 3/8 equals 10 millimeter. 1/2 inch equals 13 millimeter. Nice. Yeah. And we got not one, but 2 tire gauges. So yeah, you put this on your tire and a little thing comes out and tells you how much pressure's in there. Yeah, not too bad. But this here, oh, Betty Crocker cookie cutters, 101 cookie cutters. That's great. Once again, it's all dusty, but it's probably pretty new. Any kind of a price on this thing? What we got? ABCs, shapes, things. Yeah. All right, that's great. Yeah, this thing here, Black & Decker, looks like a little Sonic thinger. Has a light. So this here is either just a night light that comes on when you walk by. You get the switch here on and off, or it's something that actually puts out a little sonic sound and chases bugs away. Yeah. Whatever it is, though, something like this might just go in the trash. I don't know. But we got two of them. That's great. I don't want to touch this, but I will anyways. This looks like something to do with a toilet. Yeah, toilet seat cover. Alright, don't think I want that so much, but aside, I want to hear some very old, probably mag lights. Maybe stolen? I don't know. Smells a little funny too, but these batteries. See this bulb though. Yeah, I also got another one here. This does say Maglite on it. Name brand. Same thing. Clicker's logo on it. Alright, no batteries. Let's go for this box here. What could this be? What treasure? Ray-Ban, huh? Ray-Ban sunglasses. Take a little look here. See what's really in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ray-Ban. Official. Let's snap this open and... Wow, fancy Ray-Bans. Has a thing there and look at that. Has the tortoise shell, like they call it, look. A little Ray-Ban thing. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Fancy pair of Ray-Bans. And genuine, since 1937. So you know these aren't no knockoffs. Made in Italy. Alright. So that's kind of cool. And looks like there's another one in that box, probably the same thing. And what do we got here? Oh boy, more plastic stuff. This here looks like you, let's see. Oh, you don't put the baby in it, that's for sure. Otherwise you got let's see, you got a color, Sure-Seal, red, yellow, orange. So you got this big old Ziploc thing, and you got a zipper thing for it, and you got this thing here. You see that? Of course not. No, you can. See that thing right there? That right there, yeah, that opens up like so, and I bet you somehow you put stuff in here like cloth or shirts maybe, so there's a shirt there. You hook up your vacuum cleaner, some of this thing here, you suck the air out of it, and you can store it, put it somewhere. That's kind of cool. Oh, a bunch of rope. This is nice. This is nice, thick, nylon, smooth rope. Used for rope things. A couple of stunt things like that. By the way, this right here you'll see. This cut in here. One of the things you can do with this that's barely done here is when you cut this kind of rope to keep it from fraying out, just go ahead and take like a little bit of a flame and just kind of singe the ends of it, because it's plastic like, it'll melt it and make it into it won't fray. So got rope. And last but not least, we have this pouch here, which seems pretty light, but sure enough, Husky brand. This is the back side, the front side. Oh, looks like it holds wrenches probably. You can roll them up. But sadly, no wrenches. And last but not least, you got this here container. And so, you know, for the $2 I spent on this, I think I made quite a bit of, you know, money off of it. Well, not money, I'm not going to sell anything, but a lot of good stuff. I'm going to start off with a bag at 98 cents, and I went to those little grass things there for 38 cents. But you know, you got some other tools and goodies here, Ray-Ban sunglasses that you know, brings the price up to way above $2. So this is Oddjob Doer, and thanks for watching my little mystery box here.